Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. I want to do a quick video. That's a shout out for Ron T Sawyer. Redneck Renegade is doing a giveaway to get Ron up to 300 subscribers. And I just checked his channel like literally moments ago. And he's already at 301, so I might be a little late, but hey, go check him out and give him a sub anyway. If you like what you see, stay subbed. If not, you can move on, but I still wanted to give a shout out for him. I'm a new subscriber to his channel myself, so far I like his videos. Good stuff. So I'll put the link to his channel in the description along with Redneck Renegade. You can check them both out. And as always, have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.